Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna fix a Honda Civic that we bought with my friend a few months ago. You can see it in a previous episode. I'll put a link down below. So we're gonna do some rust repairs. So that's rust right here, and it's a little worse on the other side. Yeah, so we're gonna fix all that. It was a little bit of a problem to get it into the garage because the hood cable, hood cable is broken, so we have to take this off. So this comes off, and you can get to the bolts right here. So there is 3 bolts on the latch, and we took them off, and it's all easy from there. So we boosted the car and got it into the garage, and now we're gonna start working on this rust problem. First step, we take a grinder and clean all the paint and see how big is the problem there. So that's the part we're gonna be replacing. We'll make a cardboard template, and we'll make it work. So first step, we make a trace of your wheel well. Then we cut out the rusty piece. So it was right there. As you can see, rust is there. Then we'll transfer it to the cardboard, cut it out, and then we can make it out of metal. I'll clean all this and cut whatever is rusty, like probably like up to here or something, but you know, it should be good. Make sure your bumper fits perfectly, because as you can see, my template is a little bit off, so I'll have to cut it right there where I made the blue mark. I cleaned the metal up, and I cleaned it all the way up to there because there were a few, small spots, and might as well do it right now. And I put some rust converter on the metal because there's still a few dots that I can get out, and that's gonna help a lot. And this is the piece that's gonna go in, just like that. And you can see this line, that's where I'm gonna bend it, but I'm gonna bend it on the car once it's welded. I'll show it to you later on.
Peculiar imagination and selective memory. We've replaced all the ugly with folklore imagery. We replaced all the monsters with princesses and chivalry. Gone to a place with low light and low density. The type to cut up a flower and stick it in your kitchen. More like the type to slice your finger cutting a fresh picked lemon. Misplace the blame. Forget all responsibility. Medium weekend. Eyes wide. Pretend. Medium weekend. Eyes shut. Breathe in. You're not my friend. You're not my friend. I'll take back that spare key. Blissfully lost my problems during 2 days of festivities. Blissfully left the real world using pill form make-believe. Went to a place with high contrast that was new to me. Full dynamic range with 3 preset combinations. Helpful in low light or when traveling without a destination. I dislike the truth. Forget all responsibilities. When using the camera, do this or use these. Sensitive to temperature, check the subject's luminosity. Sensitive to criticism, be gentle, I just might leave. Medium weekend, eyes wide, pretend. Medium weekend, eyes shut, breathe in, my friend.
I welded the piece in. This is how it turned out. It's not perfect in some spots, but nothing that a little bit of Bonda can't fix. This is a lip. I had to... First I made it flat, and then I had to make cuts to bend it. And then I welded those cuts. You can see it here. And yeah, so now we're putting some Bondo on top, and it's gonna be looking good. Yeah, and as you can see here, there was some Bondo in there already. I don't know, what did they do? Was it hit or something? Maybe they're trying to fix the rust. But this is what it looks like now. This is what the welds look from inside. You can get in a car, get in the trunk, take this carpet out, and you can reach there. I'm gonna spray some primer there and then put some rocker guard on top.
I can't keep you here with me. I can't keep you here with me. And I know you can help us go. We are down by laws of time. At least as far as your eyes can see. No, we're above and below. Doesn't it mean we're gonna pass this way again? All the charms of the reason. When the future is in atrophy.
My friend let me use his tire machine and balancer, so I just did my tires because they were leaking and one of them wasn't the right size, and it was really bad. I'll show it to you right away. So as you can see, it's like bulged and cord is sticking out in a lot of places, so it's all wobbly and stuff. So this tire is garbage, and I just have to balance the tires and I'll be good to go.
slides off the maker. All that's left of the wake is weight. I can't defy these ways. I can't defy these ways.
I balanced my tires and they're not leaking anymore, and the car is driving so nice, so smooth. I'm really happy about it. So like and subscribe, and see you next Thursday.